Sticky rice is caused by the excess starch that remains in rice after it has been cooked. A lot of people don't like sticky rice, and I'm one of them. So today I'll be showing you how I cook my non-sticky rice. For this recipe, I'll be using rice, seasoning cubes, vegetable oil, and salt. I would start cooking by pouring a lot of water in a clean pot. Yes, a lot of water for non-sticky rice. Make sure you watch this video to the end to see what I'm going to do. The next step is to add vegetable oil. The oily texture will separate the rice while it's cooking. I'll add seasoning cube, although it's optional, but you might like it if you try it. Of course, I would add salt. After this, I would allow the water boil. Now that my water is boiling, it's time to add the raw rice. So I'm just going to pour in the raw rice. After this, I'll stir properly and cook rice till it is soft. So I added a lot of water because I would use the excess water to extract the starch. Yes, make sure you watch this video to the end to see just what I'm going to do. It's really easy. Also, I added seasoning cubes because it adds a unique taste to my white rice. Make sure you taste your white rice if you're using this method just to be sure that it is soft enough. After doing this and your rice is soft enough, then it's time to drain. Now I'm going to drain my rice to remove the excess water and starch using a basket, just like I'm doing here. Yes, so you can see the excess water and you can see the excess starch. It's really simple. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please subscribe.